I don't
But at the end of the trailhead, I think we'll have it sold.
Any other words of wisdom there, Doug?
Did Bob head back down or what?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pete, did you give him a key?
Yes.
He said, I hate you and everybody on this trail.
Well, Pete would have to give it to him.
Yeah.
Especially wrong.
Thank you for singing
He's
me.
going to take off and find someplace to watch a UK game, and we'll give him a call.
That works
I
too.
think he's going to stay down there, though.
Yeah, he just wanted to stay there. But he said, how long is it going to be? And that's probably at least 4 hours.
Hey, I'd go back to the camp. Of course,
We didn't call him. Never find it. Well, that's.
I passed it last year when you guys gave me the SOS. I thought, holy shit, I told him I was going to be there in a
with the
half hour.
snow.
All right, boys, on our ways to
Oh, he's doing fine.
Albright Grove
What's this thing? He was
in the snow.
works in the city anyway, right? And since
Well, he right now he's.
Brad put a condom on his camera. He's all set.
Oh, that was for
Safe photography.
his walks and over the Rhine.
Yeah.
He studied this.
What do you think, Daddy?
What do I think?
Way of.
I don't know. What do you think?
We got a movie here, boy.
That's your movie.
Yeah, we got a movie going here.
Okay.
You're supposed to say something wise.
Something wise. Don't eat the yellow snow.
Okay.
When you kind of document that when you film.
Ed's taking us back to Albright Grove.
And he knows where it's okay to go and where not to go. And
Sure.
at what time it's
Yeah.
safe.
You want to do a video?
Hey.
That's right. Don't be cussing on my video.
Why not? You cuss on mine.
Hey, Lou. Say something profound. That's right.
How's life?
See that? Look.
There you go.
Hey, Lou, show him. Tell him. Handrails. What are the handrails for? That's what Sissy said.
My legs don't spread that far, buddy.
Here he comes.
Can you help? Want help?
Pete, what are you doing to that
Push.
Here we go. Piece of cake.
Once you get your foot to that knob, it's easy.
Easy.
Easy for you, sir.
Did he does? He looks like he does this every morning.
Yeah. Every morning.
Saddle up.
See what Doug does with it.
He's going forward. Look out.
Side saddle.
Side saddle.
I'm not going to risk my genitalia on that.
Wayne.
We have a giant hemlock. We're here among the giants. Look up. This hemlock is still healthy.
Oh, that's a long ways up.
Nice.
Come back down. Let's see here. Yeah.
Visit Albright Grove to see big trees.
Wayne is still here.
Big trees.
Yeah, big trees. Albright Grove. What happened? There we go.